To install WordPress manually, you need to download the WordPress package to your local computer from WordPress.org. Log into the cPanel of your WordPress hosting account. Click on the MySQL database and create a database. After that, go back to cPanel and open the File Manager. Go to the root folder of your website to upload and unzip the WordPress package. You need to transfer all files to the root folder. Rename file wp-config sample.php to wp-config.php and edit this file. Complete these several steps. 1. Replace database name here with the name of the database you created. 2. Replace username here with the username of the database you created. 3. Replace password here with the password of the database that you created. 4. Replace localhost with the host name if localhost doesn't work. Open a new browser window and enter your domain to run the installation script. Depending on where you installed the script, you will be automatically redirected to either of the following URLs. If you uploaded WordPress to the domain's root folder, you should be redirected to the URL. If you uploaded WordPress to a subfolder of your domain's directory, then the URL will be in the following format. Next, on the WordPress setup page, you will need to select your preferred language. Select the language and click the Continue button. Fill all fields required and click Install to finish the installation of WordPress. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.